Slow down. BFG. On this side. Where are you guys at?
Where are these guys at?
Where are these guys at?
Oh no, but maybe these guys can help me with my visor. Oh shit. Fuck, man. You got a clean microfiber so I can try to get my visor? Woo!
Vamos bien, güey. Un pedote allá adentro, güey. ¿No tiene un trapo seco?
You got a Monster or a Red Bull? Or shit, you got hot coffee? Will you hold that 1 second? Oh man. Oh man. Hey, do you happen to know when the other 12 car came through here in front of us? Okay. Huh? I'm laughing because I can't believe we fucking made it up the river. No.
You guys came in for microfiber? Quick break?
Yeah, we thought you were gonna have the hot coffee waiting for us. Okay, cool. Oh man.
1211, do you copy? Change 1211.
Yeah.
Really fucking hot.
Yeah? Well, hold it for a second. My hands are really fucking cold. Hey, if you seriously have some creamer, it will cool it down a little bit too. Hit it. Dude. I'm so happy we made it, bro. Well, we haven't made it yet. What do we got next? Are there going to be more rivers to cross or what? Yeah.
Thank you.
Damn, bro. You know, I need to hold that coffee.
No, we're good. Yeah.
Where's our guys? I wonder if I need they'll have a dry pair of gloves, hopefully.
I thought Sanchez was going to be here.
Oh, thank you. There's a good start right here.
Oh, shit.
You want a cup?
I'm good.
We're good. Thank you. Oh, fuck. Thanks.
Thank you.
Alright, I'm not going to wear these wet-ass gloves right now. I need some dry ones. What's he got? You want that? The hand warmer?
No, I'm good. My hands are fine.
Okay, well, fuck it. Put it somewhere. I might need it in a minute.
Okay.
I could put it... If I end up with a dry glove, then I can put it inside the glove. Yeah, thank you. Wow, BFG! Alright, we might see them here. Which way do we go?
Left. Right there where those cones are at. Oh, more of this shit.
What's that?
More of this shit.
Damn, those dudes fucking took care of us.
Right forward 400 feet.
Right 4?
Right 4, up.
Okay.
Left 1. Throw down rocks.
Ah, shit.
Left 3, 400 feet. Left 3. Right 3.
Shit.
We gotta go that fucking way.
Huh?
We gotta go up on that side.
No, but we'll drop there and go up there.
Yeah. Buzz, yes, do it.
Hold these, please.
Fuck yeah, man.
Oh, put the hand warmer on my balls.
Right one.
Oh, that's a good call, man.
Right. Right one. Left two. Right two. Right two rocks. Right two. Left one. Right, left one. Right two. Left two. Stopping 400 feet. Left one. 60, 42, 40.
I don't even want to go 60. It's going to be
I
fucking
know,
too
it's
cold.
gonna be cold, bro. It's alright.
How long is this section?
10 miles, some shit like that.
Seriously?
Yeah, it's
Oh, are we done with our